It should have been a Merry Christmas for a family in Negril, Westmoreland, Jamaica, but it has turned into the worst nightmare of their life after their family member visiting from America passed away in what was said to be a serious bike accident. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. And also add us on WhatsApp so you're always notified with our latest report as well. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back after this short break with the full details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. As we approach the festive season of the Christmas period, there has always been an increase in road fatalities as it relates to car accident, bike accident, and also pedestrians being hit. I'm using my platform and this medium in order to implore drivers and road users just in order to take care, especially when you're traversing the streets during the busy festive season of the Christmas period. Now, let me go over to the story that I really want to talk about, in which an American national lost her life in a motorbike accident in Negril. This one is very sad and is very unfortunate to even be reporting on, as the family is left in total disbelief and their Christmas has just been shattered with this unfortunate news. This is a very sad situation that happened here, in which a 46-year-old female who goes by the name Erica Weatherburn from Oregon, USA, lost her life in what was believed to be a accident in which she succumbed to her injuries soon after. So let me update you with this report. So an American woman's Christmas visit with her Jamaican relative was cut short when she succumbed to injuries in a bike crash in Negril on Monday. So this female was said to be visiting family members in Jamaica. Because as you know, a number of people who do this from time to time visit Jamaica just in order to enjoy the Christmas season. As you know, Christmas in Jamaica is one of a different kind of feeling. It brings you a different kind of vibes other than when you're outside of the country itself. And this might be a main reason why this female would have visited Jamaica in order to experience the warmth of the Jamaican culture, the music, the food, and just the Christmas festivity of the Jamaican people. But this was not to be after she enjoyed the festive moment and did not even get to realize the actual events, what occurred to the point where her life was taken in an unfortunate situation in the West End Island of the country. Now, we here at Links 007 TV, we just want to implore people to take heed by this and try your very best to follow the safety procedures on the road and just try your best in order to reduce the number of road fatalities, especially in the Christmas period, because this female, she visited Jamaica just in order to have a good time with her family and her friends. And no, this has turned into the worst nightmare that a family could ever have experienced for a Christmas period. And it's one of those situations that we have looked on over and over again. And we have talked about this situation, and it looks as if we really need to implore road users some more just in order to take heed as they traverse the streets. Because what happened in this situation will forever edge on the hearts and minds of the family members, and their Christmas will never be the same after this unfortunate situation occurred. So the female that passed away in this bike crash, she has been identified as 46-year-old Erica Wedderburn of Oregon. And according to the police report, Wedderburn was heading from Negril towards a town. And when the incident occurred, she was said to be at the Mirage Hotel when she lost control of the motorcycle she was riding, and then it crashed in a section of the hotel wall. So this was actually the actual point at which she lost her life. It's still unclear what led to her losing control of the motorcycle, whether or not she was speeding beyond the point that she could control the motorcycle. I'm not sure, but something led to the bike gotten out of control, and now she's no longer a part of this world. So she received head and facial injuries and was pronounced dead at the scene of the accident. Now, can you just imagine how the family must be feeling on hearing of that news? Can you just imagine what eyewitnesses recounts when they saw this accident actually unfolded right in front of their eyes? Because as you know, that stretch of roadway in Negril, it's a busy stretch of roadway, and a number of road users would be there, especially in this specific time of the year, traversing the streets, going to the beach, and just enjoying the wonderful sunshine of the Jamaican people and just the wonderful warmth of the culture of Jamaica. So the inspector of the area, Mr. Gregory Hall, head of the Westmoreland Traffic and Town Enforcement Units, is encouraging motorists to be extra careful during the holiday periods because as you know during the holiday periods from I've been growing up we have always seen an increase in road fatalities as we approach the festive season of the Christmas period. I don't know whether or not these individuals are intoxicated or whether or not they just decide as if speeding is the way to go during these times. Not saying that this was the case with this female, but it just has been a general trend for over the years in which we have seen road fatalities increase more and more each year as we approach any holiday, any festive period. And it's really shocking to see how lives are being lost on the roads based on people not using or following the proper road procedures. So in the season, there's always been an uptick in the number of accidents, and this has caused the police and also the road traffic authorities to implement measures, especially during these festive seasons. But what happened to this female is a very unfortunate situation, and the family right now are left to grapple with this very sad news after they were expecting a Merry Christmas. She visited Jamaica on numerous occasions and she would have got the chance to be around many Jamaicans and she would have just loved the vibes of the Jamaican people. That's why she visited in order to spend Christmas here with her family and friends. And it's so unfortunate what transpired here after she was traveling on the Negril West End Road and she lost control of the motorcycle. I can't say whether or not she was speeding or what really resulted in the accident itself. But all I can say, the family right now is in total shock. They are in total disbelief of the unfortunate news that gripped them in this festive period. A number of people have also took to social media, especially to express sadness and also to express shock and disbelief about her passing. A number of them have also took to social media just to express condolences to the family and friends of this late individual. But all I can say is that I'm just imploring road users, try your very best to exercise caution, especially during this time of the festive period. What happened to this female is a very unfortunate and it's a very sad situation. And this female, she had her whole life ahead of her. She was just 46 years old and just enjoying the Jamaican culture, the Jamaican food, and just to be around her family during this festive period. Now, a motorcycle has caused this to be turned into the nightmare of the family. and this will forever edge on their minds for years to come based on the circumstances that resulted in this accident. But all I can say, I just wish the family the best, and I hope that they do find the strength in order to pull through this one, because I know that this will be a difficult one for them to cope with. This will gonna be a difficult one for them to contend with, and this will also be a difficult one for them to ever get over, based on the fact that she was just in the island just to spend it with her family. She could have been in the USA enjoying the Christmas, but she decided that she wanted to spend the Christmas period in Jamaica just to enjoy this moment with her family. And that is why the situation is so sad, and it's so unfortunate that this had to happen. I believe I'm going to leave this report now here. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to express our condolences to her family, her friends, especially the relatives back over in the USA, and also those in West End of Jamaica, Negril to be exact. Peace out and bless, and have a productive day from the Links 007 TV family.